Okay, this one is a reading class, week number 17, and remember our motto, we are the different with Jesus. And today is Tuesday, July 21st, okay, 2020. And the topic is the unit number 8, the backpack program. In this case, we are going to finish the unit with the reading comprehension exercises, okay, with the summary, and also we work in the exercises of our workbook, okay. So let's see, let's start. Okay, first one, we work in page 56. That is the reading comprehension part. Remember, we have 4 questions here. And in this part, that is the part A, we need to choose the best answers. Okay, what is the main idea of this passage? Okay, let's make a summary about the reading. Okay, remember, the backpack program is a program that consists in giving food, okay, to hungry kids. That's mean poor kids that don't have enough food for weekends. And also this program is developing in the United States, and it started in 1994. Okay, and the backpack include food that is not perishable, that is nutritional food. Okay, that is for example vegetables, cereal, milk, eggs. Okay, the different kind of food that is let me see, good for the body, okay, or for giving energy to kids. And also this program has different volunteers, okay, and every Friday is giving the backpack to the kids, to the hungry kids of school. And let me see, right now it's implemented in around 35,000 schools around the country, and it's a good program, yeah, because let me see, it's for taking care of hungry kids. Okay, this one is let me see a summary of the reading. Okay, and right now we need to choose the main idea of the passage. Okay, if we consider the ideas, okay, that we have of the reading passage, okay, for example, the letter A, the backpack program is for community volunteers. In this case, no, because the program is not dedicated for volunteers. It's not specifically for volunteers. It's for kids, okay. So the option B, the backpack program takes care of hungry kids. Yes, this one is the correct option because the main purpose of this program is taking care of hungry kids, specifically on weekends. Yes, for that reason, the best option is the option B. Okay, now we continue with number 2, 3, and 4. In elementary school, the writer felt dizzy and had, okay, remember, the majority of these kids, okay, felt different kind of symptoms, okay. One of them is felt dizzy, but the other one was, okay, stomach aches, colds, or maybe toothache. What do you consider is this one according to the reading? Okay, the best option is stomach aches. Yes, okay, so the kids feel dizzy and also have different stomach aches. Okay, so let's see the number 3. Why did the food bank start the backpack program? Okay, they consider that the program will be beneficial for the kids, specifically the hungry kids. Okay, but it start to give back to students or to teach sick students or to help hungry students. And in this case, the purpose is to help hungry students because the majority of them live, let me see, in places that are dangerous and also places that, let me see, don't have enough food for weekends. Okay, and for that reason, this program started for helping hungry kids. Okay, or students. Number 4, when did volunteers give food backpacks to kids? And in this case, okay, the specific day, it's on Monday, on Friday, on weekend. Okay, according to the reading, this one is on Fridays. Okay, exactly. The specific day is on Fridays because, okay, on Friday they give the backpack, contain food, and they have enough food for all the weekend. Yes, for him or her, and also for the family. Okay, so let's see. The number 5 and the number 6, this one is a part of true or false. Okay, I'm sorry for that because I forgot to put the information in the presentation, but the number, let me see, 5, the answer is true. I give you the answer because I can see, okay, the sentence that we have here, okay, but the answer in number 5 is true and the answer in number 6 is false. I'm sorry because I forget to put them, okay, the sentences in that presentation, but number 5 is true and number 6 is false. Okay, thank you very much for your comprehension in that part. Let's see, let's continue. C, okay, write the correct answers. Why were the students feeling sick? Okay, ¿por qué se sentían enfermos? They were not really sick, okay, they were just hungry. En realidad no estaban enfermos, estaban hambrientos, okay? They were not really sick, they were just hungry. En realidad estaban hambrientos, okay? They were not really sick, they were just hungry. Excellent. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. Okay, now we pass in page 57, and this one is the step number 1. Okay, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Okay, remember, we have the problem and we have the solution. In this reading, okay, we learned that for the different problems, we have different solutions, okay? But according to the, let me see the quote, okay? For example, in Spanish, para cada problema hay una solución, okay? In every problem that we have, okay, will be a solution, okay? In some cases, we need to think about that, okay? Because it is important that if we have a problem, a specific problem, we need to think, we need to analyze, and then we give a solution to this one. Okay, so let's see. In this case, the problem is that many students felt, okay, we complete with the different words that we have here. We have backpack, dizzy, volunteers, bank, and also hungry. Okay, the first one is many students felt dizzy, okay? The majority of them felt dizzy and had stomach aches, okay? Different symptoms. The second problem is that school nurse realized they were just hungry, okay? The problem is that they were hungry, okay? They weren't sick, they were hungry. Okay, and for that reason, okay, they felt dizzy and had stomach aches. Okay, this one are the problems. But what are the solutions to these problems? Okay, the first solution is a food bank started the, okay, backpack program. Okay, this one is the first solution. Okay, the volunteers, think about that. Okay, we have different kids that are hungry. So one of the solution is to get food bank, okay, or to create a food bank for, okay, receive different donation of food, and we can create a program that the name of the program is the backpack program. Okay, and the second solution is the community volunteers from the food bank gave food backpacks to hungry kids. Okay, when you start the program, when you receive the donation of food, of the different foods, then you create the program and you put inside of a backpack, okay, the different food that you receive as donation, and you give to the hungry kids. This one is the solution. And if you give the food, okay, the kids, okay, don't have or don't feel bad or don't have, let me see, hungry anymore. So this one is the solution. Okay, so let's see. Let's continue. Step number 2, complete the summary with the words from the box. Okay, we continue on page 57 and we have the food, program, week, students, and seats. These one are the words that we use. In an elementary school in Arkansas, many students had stomach aches and were dizzy, but they weren't sick. They were just hungry. So, a food bank started the backpack program in 1994. Food bank volunteers gave food backpacks to hungry kids. Now, food banks give out 35,000 food backpacks in the United States every week. Okay, now we complete the paragraph. In an elementary school in Arkansas, okay, this one is a state, many students had stomach aches and were dizzy, but they weren't sick. Okay, we discussed about this one. They were just hungry. So, a food bank started the backpack program in 1994. Food bank volunteers gave food backpacks to hungry kids. Now, food banks give out 35,000 food backpacks in the United States every week. Okay, so let's see. This one is a summary of the reading that we have already discussed. Yes, Okay, so right now we complete the exercise of our student book. Now we pass to our workbook. Please open it, and first one we start with the vocabulary practice. Okay, we check the definitions. So we have the let's see the words. Okay, the vocabulary words: backpack, school nurse, DC, week, stomachache, and volunteer. Okay, today we are going to discuss the word and also the definition. So I give you the answer right now because I need to discuss this one. Okay, for example, week. Okay, what is the definition of week? This one is 7 days from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, this one is a week. For example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days. Okay, from Sunday to Saturday. This is a week. Okay, number two, backpack. Okay, this one is an object. It's a bag you carry on your back. Okay, and inside of this bag, okay, you can put different things. You put your notebook, your books, okay, your pencil case, your clothes, your bottle with water. Yes, okay, you put different things inside it. Yeah, so this is a bag you carry on your back. For that reason, we call backpack. Okay, number three, what is a volunteer? A volunteer is a person who works for free. Okay, that's mean I work but without any payment, sin paga. Okay, it's a person who works for free, voluntariamente, gratuitamente. Okay, this is a volunteer. Number four, a stomachache. This is a pain under your chest. Okay, un dolor bajo tu pecho. This one is a stomachache. You feel this one, okay, when you let me see, don't eat, okay, when you feel bad, let me see, or maybe when you eat a food that is not in good condition. Yeah, you feel this kind of symptom, stomachache. Then we have dizzy, when your head feels like it is spinning in circles. Okay, you think or you see that all the things around you, okay, is spinning in circles. Yes, for that reason you felt dizzy. Okay, and the last one, the school nurse, is someone who cares for sick students. Okay, is a person that is in charge of taking care of you when you are sick. Okay, the school nurse. Okay, let's make a review. Number one, week. Number two, backpack. Number three, volunteer. Number four, stomachache. Number five, DC. And number six, school nurse. Excellent. Okay, now we pass to the part B. This one is write the best words to complete the sentences. And in this case, we have four. We have program, realize, hungry, and weekend. Okay, so number one, the hungry dog looked for a bone. El perro hambriento buscaba por un hueso. Okay, the hungry dog looked for a bone. Number two, this library has a good reading program. Esta biblioteca tiene un buen programa de lectura. Okay, remember, library, the meaning of this one is biblioteca. Okay, it's not librería. It's biblioteca in Spanish. Okay, this library has a good reading program. Number three, I have a lot of free time this weekend. Tengo suficiente tiempo libre este fin de semana. Okay, I have a lot of free time this weekend. Number four, Terry didn't realize how loud he was. Terry no se dio cuenta, okay? Realize, darse cuenta. Terry didn't realize how loud he was. Okay, excellent. Let's review. Number one, hungry. Number two, program. Number three, weekend. And number four, realize. Excellent job. Okay, now we pass the next page. This one is the sentence practice. And match the sentence parts and write the sentences. Yes? Okay, this one is the exercise C. I help you. Number one, have you heard of the backpack program? Yes, this one is a question. Have you heard of the backpack program? Okay, and right now you can talk about this one because you know the information. Okay, number two, I love it because it made my life better. Me encanta porque ha hecho mi vida mejor. Okay, I love it because it made my life better. On weekends, I wasn't hungry anymore. Los fines de semana ya no estoy hambriento. Okay. On weekends, I wasn't hungry anymore. That makes me so happy. Okay, so these one are the options. Have you heard of the backpack program? I love it because it made my life better. On weekends, I wasn't hungry anymore. That makes me so happy. Okay, so let's see. And now, this sentence, the sentence that we match, okay, we write in the space that we have below. Okay, this part. Have you heard of the backpack program? I love it because it made my life better. On weekends, I wasn't hungry anymore, and that makes me so happy. Okay, you have the lines in your book. Okay, you need to write with cursive letter, and also remember we need to respect, okay, the different rules, okay, the rules of punctuation and also the capitalization. Remember, every sentence begins with capital letters and ends with a correct punctuation. Yes, in this case, the first one is a interrogative sentence, so we write a question mark at the end. The number 2 is a declarative, so we write a period. Number 3 and number 4 are exclamatory, so we write an exclamation point at the end of the sentence. Okay, so let's see. Number 1, have you heard of the backpack program? I love it because it made my life better. This is number 2. Number 3, on weekends, comma, I wasn't hungry anymore. And number 4, that makes me so happy. Okay, excellent job. So let's see. Now we pass to the last part. This one is the exercise D. And remember, in this case, we unscramble the sentence. We have the different words and we need to put in order. Okay, this is the first one. Many students at my school often felt dizzy and had stomach aches. Yes, many students at my school often felt dizzy and had stomach aches. Okay, this one is the correct order. Yes? Okay, number 2. The correct order is our school nurse realized we weren't really sick. Our school nurse realized we weren't really sick. This is number 2. What about number 3? Okay, it started the backpack program in 1994 to help us. It started the backpack program in 1994 to help us. And number 4, then they gave them to me and other hungry kids every Friday. Okay, then they gave them to me and other hungry kids every Friday. And the last part, now I am a backpack program volunteer. Yes, now I am a backpack program volunteer. Okay, so let's see. This one is the class. Thank you for participating in class. And also, God bless you. Remember, the next week we have the evaluations. And you need to study the unit number 7, that is the history of transportation. And the unit number 8, that is about the backpack program. Okay, remember, send the photos of your activity, page 56 and 57, and also these 2 pages of your workbook. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.